Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Tokyo Revengers PUZZ REVE game, and I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial an insane mod that I got it for the game. The game is absolutely one of the best games I ever played. It's really nice. I really like it, and I'm going to show you that how I got this mod, which is totally insane. I'm just going to open immediately right now so you can see it by yourself, and then I'm going to show you guys everything that I did in order to get it. Okay, so practically, guys, with this mod you will get unlimited diamonds and coins, and I'm going to show you immediately right now. Okay, so just a few seconds to log in the game, and as you can see, guys, right over here I'm generating so many of them, and I'll show immediately that how I managed to do this. All right, so it's pretty simple and pretty easy, so make sure you're gonna watch this video until the end, guys, to understand everything you need to do. So before you start the whole process, guys, you just need to make sure about your internet, so it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and active the mobile data, so the whole process does interrupt because of internet connection. And if you're not sure how to check this, I'm going to show you right now. So you just need to go to your settings, and then to scroll it here to general, scroll it down where is background app refresh, click on it, and on the top again, and over here you have Wi-Fi and mobile data. You just need to click it if you have unclicked. Right, then another thing that you need to do, guys, you just need to scroll it down to settings again, where is App Store, press on it. Where is this automatic downloads? Make sure you're gonna have active. Okay, so you need to turn it on. So these tabs, guys, that I showed to you right now are required just for the iOS users. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. So the next step, all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you like to use, guys, and you just need to go and search about this site. It's called Find APK Mods. And 1 second, and here it is. You just need to enter inside of the site. You have a lot of other games, mods, and so on. You can check later if you're interested for something else. If not, you can just go and search in the searching bar like I will do right now. Okay, here it comes. You press in the middle, then install, and you just need to complete the steps now, guys. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. By the end of this process, you're going to be able to get the mod and generate the diamonds and coins, same as me. So this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.